Good day, everybody. You know, here we are in 2021, and people are trying to find a way to generate an income online. And I'm going to wait just a second. It seems like the stream, there it goes. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and discuss something today about making money in 2021 and a new system that has been launched. And I want to do the first review of that and go over how you could utilize this to go out right now and set up and establish a business this week, and by the end of this week be making money with it. And this is a legit system that has just been launched. I'm going to walk you through it, and we're going to take a look at some of the components. You can access inside of the description of this is a link that goes to a blog post that I put up yesterday that will cover and go over this in much more detail, and you can look over each aspect. But I'm going to kind of breeze through this and explain what it is. So I'm going to jump over here to Banner. It's called Banner Ads that was just released by a woman and her husband who have been in the marketing field for a long time. They know what they're doing, and they've designed a outstanding product. I just want to click to start this video and show you what happens. Okay, so right now they've got some animation going on already on the thing. What this business is going to allow you to do is to start your own business and contact already established businesses that are running ads in various niches. It could be any niche pretty much that is already paying for advertisement but is running static images. And you're going to be able to create for them really cool graphics at a click of a button and look like a pro very easily. That's the overview, the 10,000 mile overview here. Well, watch what happens when I click on this.
Did that just grab your attention?
You see how that popped up like that? And see how the animation's going here? Banner Ads is a animated graphics design tool that allows anybody with zero experience to create outstanding, eye-catching, eye-popping animated graphics. We know that in 2021, information overload is at an all-time high. We're inundated with ads. We're inundated with information to the nth degree. Many businesses are struggling with the fact that they have not adapted or done something different with their ads, and people are ignoring them. But when you have movement, it's proven, scientifically proven, at a 2-to-1 ratio, that something with movement catches the eye. Think about your own behavior and what catches your eyes on the screen. Okay, so there's something going on called banner blindness that she talks about here, that static images are becoming pretty boring for people, and they're overlooking them. This gives the opportunity to come into a marketplace and offer a service. When you look at these two images with a sneaker coming across, which one catches your eye? You look at the before and after of this one here. Just slight eye movements will draw our attention to it. And if you're running an advertisement, and I'll show you, if we go to Google, pull this up, kind of do this is on the live here. I'm going to go Bangor. Let's go Portland, a little bit bigger city. Boston, dentist. Okay, and we see this ad here. Okay, so this is a company that's paying for this ad. I'm going to copy the link so I don't use up their ad money on them, and paste that over here. Whoops, popped back to that. It's going to go to a landing page, and here's a prime example. We could take this image right now. We already know this company's spending money. We already know they're paying for advertisement, and we can actually figure out how much, but that's for another time, on how much they're paying for each click. So these companies are spending money, and there's probably more ads down here. Okay, so we have plenty, and that's just one location and one niche. So I'm just letting you know there's millions of businesses you can contact, so don't worry about ever running out of businesses. So we could take a look at this company and this business, and we could take this ad and download it and put it into the tool we're talking about and animate this. We could animate it so it moves. So when somebody lands on it, that they're attracted to it. There's probably a lot that could be done here. This is a pretty awful website for the most part. But anyway, as an example, we could take this and animate them, and then we could animate the ad using this tool and do something like this instead of just the static image, and contact them and send them a sample. It only takes a couple of minutes to do. You log into the tool and you can animate it, and there's a demo on the page that you can go down and look at. So that's an example. It is 3 simple steps to start making money. You're getting an agency license with this, so you can already offer this to clients. Here's an example of that. Think about now that dental image we just looked at, and think about having movement on there. And we could do this with pretty much any image and any sort of image at all, and we can make this movement happen on those ads and generate leads with this. It's really simple. I use the dentist one, they did too. So number one, you do what I just did. Okay, we go do a search here, boom, and we looked up. But we already know they're spending money because it's an ad. We can do this on Facebook, we can do this on Google, we can do this anywhere where ads are run. You can look for the people who are advertising because you know they're spending good money for that click. Okay, and then we can come back to them, make them something like this. Step 2, go into our tool. Okay, so we find the businesses. Step 2, we go to their website like I did. I could download this image. I could then, step 3, create an animated design, and I could watermark it and send them a sample. Contact the business, send them a sample, and say, see how this may be way more effective when people land on your page? It's going to catch their eyes. And that's just one sample of something we could do. You don't need anything at this point other than this system, and then you make the design and send it to them. You can also, there's a website called Fiverr, and it is more competitive and it is tough. You have to establish yourself on Fiverr, but you could set up shop on Fiverr and start offering these services. You can see the money that people are paying for those services. It's the same thing we have here with this. Okay, so $50 an image for something that takes you probably all of maybe 10 minutes. That's it. That's a pretty good hourly wage if you figure that out. So this tool, Banner Ads, is going to allow you to do that, to create any type of ad, take any type of their templates or create your own from scratch and design animated images like this that are eye-catching. Okay, there's a gym, and only your own creativity of thinking what markets you could help them with, and then verifying that they're spending money. Okay, we don't want to contact just anybody. We want to contact people that already understand the importance of spending money to get traffic. So we're just going to help them do it better. So this is the overview of this system. There's much, much more to talk about here. This system is on sale right now. It just launched. We already have it, so don't go buy it. I'll cover how you can get it. There's 100. I just want to share with you this information, how you can make money as a side hustle in 2021. It's 150 image effects, so you can do all sorts of different things with the images. 24 transitions. Size in it for me. That is also built into this tool for the different platforms. For Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, they all have their own image sizes. So instead of worrying about that, you just click a button and you're good to go. So this tool is very, very easy to use. What you can do is go to the link inside this room. Okay, it's going to land on this page here. This is my website, and I'm going to go through. That's me. And I'm going to go through a whole complete where you can look over all of this. And the cool thing is, it is inside our club. Okay, what's the club you're saying? Okay, well, we will get into that. Right here, club, you can go there. Or the best, even better, just sign up for a newsletter and I'll take you to it. Right here, you can watch a video and go through my entire overview and review of this. There's also the demo video. So that is right in the room. And these are the costs right now to buy this tool. And you don't have to worry about that because I'm going to show you that in a second. You're going to get it in the club. Okay, then we have the upgraded agency, which has some really cool features. I'll let you go over those and check those out. There's some great upgrades. And I cover that both in text and video. And that is a $77 upgrade. Don't have to pay that. We've got it. We bought the white label rights to this, so you don't have to go buy this tool individually. And upgrade 2 gets into some pretty cool stuff for Facebook ads, and it's going to teach you how to run Facebook ads. And Facebook ads is the #1 side hustle. It's rated as the #1 best side hustle to offer local businesses the ability to run Facebook ads. There's a complete step-by-step training system built into this. It's going to teach you how to run Facebook ads. When you're ready to do that, you can go through the training, and this system allows you to create the ads and push them directly to Facebook. Very, very cool. These are real. This is a real super legit businesses, guys. This isn't some MLM or some crappy survey thing or whatever. There's so many scams out there. This is legit service you're going to offer people that's needed, and it's in high demand right now. The best part is the last upgrade to this. You're going to get a complete business in a box. Everything you need to run this business is inside of this. You're going to get a done-for-you sales presentation, a client presentation. You're going to get email swipes. So if you contact businesses by email, which is very easy to do, you can send them information about that, along with I recommend doing a sample from their website to show them the power of it. Words speak a lot louder pictures speak a lot louder than words. And by doing a sample for them right off their website and send it to them, say, hey, take a look at this. This is pretty cool, isn't it? And then saying, I could do this for you for $30. Sure. Where do I pay you? So very, very simple. You've got a contract. If you get into any contractual things, you can set a contract to look professional. So all the aspects of running a legit business, you're going to get 3 done-for-you presenter videos to help sell this for you. A professional sales presentation that you could turn into your own if you like doing those kind of things. An invoice that you can send them, a professional invoice with your logo on it. A work agreement. A lead capture website. Okay? That's going to do the work for you. All you got to do is send the people there. And some swipes to attract the prospects to your lead capture, and a sales training video. Again, that's selling for $47 right now, but you don't have to worry about that. You can click here to get into the club and see what's going on. What is the club? Real briefly. So come over here to look at everything and see how this could be a great side hustle for you. And then you'll come over to this page here. Okay, when you land, it's going to look like this. I've been a member of the tools for us that he puts in the club so we don't have to go buy them. The one I just showed you with everything included is about $288 for the one tool to get that business up and running, to get all the components, to get the agency web, to get the upsell #1, which was a background removal and lots of more templates, to make this a powerful, powerful solution for you to make a side hustle in 2021. That's a $288 value, and that's just one business. This right here is another whole business. It would cost you $164 just for those 2 businesses. What I'm telling you guys is the club is a place. These are all businesses you could run here. I'm not going to go into it too much. And there's a lot more here. Here's a one teaching you how to run YouTube ads along with training. So you could run YouTube ads for clients. I mean, this just goes on. You could expand in different directions with this. This tool is phenomenal, okay? This is called VidCloud, and it's in the club, and it was just added. The website I showed you, the link that's in the video, okay, I basically copied the video from their website, uploaded it to here, so I can know I made it with this thing on it here, and with the overlay, and with the attention-grabbing little video there. And at the end of this video, I redirect people to the club. So if I was to play this, I'm going to scan screen. Money for video hosting with Vimeo, Wista. That's another whole video for another time. But again, this is another service you could offer. I mean, there's so many ways to make money in the club. It's incredible. And you don't have to have any big skill sets. You just pick a tool, learn it, and sell it. And it goes on and on, guys. I could just go on and on and on here. But this club has been adding tools over the last 19 months. Here's a social posting tool that can automate all your social marketing. If you want to do something in the digital marketing, affiliate marketing arena, you could set up 100 courses tomorrow. You could set up 100 courses and have a website up and running and be offering them for list building. There's just so many directions you can go. And what I'm saying, the club is a crowdfunding software club where the owner goes and buys all these tools. We don't have to spend the money on them, each one of them, and we can use them to build our business with. Whatever direction you want to go. There's so many directions to go. I'm showing you one side hustle today, banner ads, that you can take a quick 3-step process that I showed you. Boom, go find a service. Very easy. Boston Dentist. Find people who are advertising. Go to their website, download the animate it, send it to them, and collect the check. Did you get that? Or did I go too fast? The tool we're talking about, banner ads, we have it in the club. We have the upgrade. Okay? This is the agency kit. It's going to have everything for you. Client getting swipes, lead generation website, professional contracts, professional invoices, all built in. Plus, this chick is a dynamite sales video creator. She's going to teach you how to make these yourself and how to make killer videos yourself. They're asking, but we're not asking for that. Here's the create and manage ads for Facebook that I was telling you about in Google directly from the dashboard. Super awesome to create the image and this is what people are charging to manage Facebook ads for people. Look at that. How many clients do you need to start making some good money? So many opportunities. This is another one to create virtual tours for businesses. And there's just so much to go into. That's a whole different one I'm going to do for today. The point is, all of this is available, and this isn't even all of it. All of these go to more tools when you're on this page. Okay? These are all more tools. There's so many different ways. Yes, all of this is yours. All of it. Everything you see here, except the yearlies. There's 3 ways to join the club. Okay. When you see this 1130, that means for $11.30 a month, you can pick one tool a month. So by the end of 12 months, you got 12 tools if they have the 1130 mark on them. That's the real cheapy way to get started. It's not going to give you web hosting. It's not going to give you a lot of access to all the other tools, just one a month. Still cool. Nothing wrong with that. The other options are a monthly and a yearly. You'll see some tools have this yearly banner on them. That means you have to be a yearly member. These tools, this one is $997 a year. Real. $297 a year. Real. The owner has to maintain these. $297 a year. This one's $441 a year. You can verify information by clicking here, clicking on the sales pages that I'm not duping you. These four tools would cost you, what did I say, $997, $4, $1,500, $16, $17, $18, $2,000 a year would cost you to go buy those tools. $6 a month to have everything in this club. Plus, there's so much to go over. It'll blow your mind. But I want to show you one other quick little thing before we get done here. The reoccurring sample, these are real reoccurring samples that are in the club right now that you don't have to pay for. They're included. Monthly content PLR club is $29.95 a month. It's selling right now. You don't have to pay for it. Software buyer club is $19.95 a month. You don't have to buy it. Some badassery tool. $97 a month. You get access to it. Video Ease, if you join at the yearly, you get access to that. Quality hosting on 20i would cost you $15 a month. It's included. Premium themes and plugins, $15 a month. .com suite, $39 a month. These are real costs for these products that you will use. Not all of them, but you're going to use some of them. If you're going to run an agency and do what I showed you with banner ads, you could set up shop on here and run your whole business out of here. Take a week to learn the system and run a professional business from this thing that costs $97 a month. But you don't have to pay $97 a month. Remember what I'm talking about here. I wanted to show you what's in the club that are reoccurring costs that you would have to pay for that you don't. The $36, $440 a year comes up to $36. Can't do that, can't afford it right now, that's fine. You got other options. If you come in at the $49 a month, you get access to everything. You don't get the hosting till month 2. That's okay. I showed you with this business, you can get going without it. It's nice to have a professional business. Okay, so let's jump back here and talk about the last thing now about this. You got 3 options. 1, upgrade 2, ignore these prices. This is showing you, if you go look at it, what it is. Okay, upgrade 2, Facebook's, you can learn over the ads and offer that as another service, make a lot more money. I showed you that. And then you're getting a complete website and everything to go. To get that website set up, simply come down here, click on the link, go to here, purchase the yearly, contact me ASAP, and I'll help you get going. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that.